Select again particular solid and go to effects, trap code particular. In this part, how to make bouncy particles with bounce event. It means create a realistic rain effect. Select particular, go to emitter, change emitter type to box. Change to XYZ individual, press shift. And change emitter Y to 0. Change emitter size Z in 2000. Change this one to 2000. Right click, create the camera. Sorry, there we have a camera. So select particular and move up. Particular, move up. Play, close and go to physics. Where is physics? Make rainfall. Go to particle, life seconds, need 5. Play. Select particular, transform fit to comp. Select particle, go to window, show layer control. Select from the center point, move it up, move up. And now make gravity. Play now. Change emitter option of the velocity 0, 0, 0, 0. Go back to rendering, motion blur, turn on the motion blur for the raindrops. Change the size 3. Play now. There is raindrops. Let's create the rains splash effect by creating new solid. Change color a little bit bright right here. Floor, change the size 2000 pixel. Press OK. Press F4, turn on the 3D switch. Rotate X axis. Press V, move it down. Then select particular, close emitter, close particle, select physics, and select bounce. Go to bounce, select floor, and change bounce to 16. Bounce random 8, slide 8. When you play, there is the particle bouncing on the floor. Select particle, go back to emitter, press shift, near and far, like this. Move the floor down. Play now. Press W. Let's little bit more rotate the floor. Looking good. Let's create particles splash. Before creating particle splash, select particular, control the life seconds into 1. Play, change 2. Looking good. Okay, times to bring aux system. Select add bounce event. Let's change first the size 2. Let's change, find the velocity. Where is the velocity? Here is life seconds, and here is particle velocity. Need velocity like this, and change life second 0.2. Play now. Let's change particles bounce event, color. Fine. There is color control, overlay. Let's change to from gradient. Add a start. Change to sphere. Glow sphere. That's select the sphere, looking better. Color from main. Change to 100. Change to 100 and close. Press Ctrl, change the velocity rate and change the size of particles like this. Change velocity rate like this and change particle second. Find the particle seconds. Where is particle seconds? Particle collision. Need more particle collision. Play now. Looking good. Let's import footage for this project. Video. Let's find select this empty scene, import hair drop, and right click, transform fit to comp. Select the floor, neat, rotate, pulls, and rotate like this. Rotate like this and move here. Press S, scale up the size, then press Shift plus on keyboard for changing mode. There is the base mode. Select particle, go back to effect control and go to emitter. Change the rate 500 and let's go back to color control. Let's change the color. The color must taken from the nature. For match color, go to particle, change the main color taken from here. There's need more raindrops, 500, and let's create drizzle, CC drizzle, drop on the floor, CC drizzle, select drop rate, press Ctrl X, cut. Select floor, Ctrl D, duplicate, select, and Ctrl V for paste here. Press Shift, change. Let's play. Let's play. Here is the raindrops are coming. Let's mask this area, this place. Before masking, let's control the drizzle effect. Press Shift plus on keyboard. Select both, select first one and mask this places for the character. Move it up, Ctrl Z, mask this area. Press M, change to subtract. Press M, little bit make fader. Okay, let's select the rain, mask for the rain. 1 click, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is mask. Press M, change to subtract. M, make little bit fader. So let's play now. Turn off the solo button. Let's play now. Wait for the rain. Select particles. Make mask for the particles. Mask this area for particles. Like this. Ctrl Z, select, press M, delete the mask, select floor, camera, particle, these two layers, right click, make first pre-compose, rain, effects. There is a little bit problem. Press shift, let's check. Let's check. Let's play this one. Looking not bad. Double click, select the drizzle effect, Ctrl X, paste here, move it down, double click, select the camera, copy, paste 1 copy of camera here, and select floor, change the rate too much, longevity, and displace. Select the rain effects. Let's mask the rain effects like this. Mask displace. Press M, change to subtract, M, make little bit fader. Need more fader. Let's play now. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about part 2 of particular plugin, how to create a rain effect by bounce and bounce event option of particular.